Want to unlock the full potential of Instagram for your local business? In today's video, I'll show you the 7 powerful ways to attract more customers right from your neighborhood. Let's get started. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're a local business owner and you want to leverage Instagram to grow your customer base, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share with you 7 tips on how to do just that. So let's dive in. Tip number 1, optimize your bio. Your Instagram bio is like your business's storefront. Make sure it includes your location, hours, and a link to your website. Use relevant hashtags and keywords in your bio to help local customers find you. And remember, first impressions count, so make it interesting. Moving on to tip number 2, utilize Instagram's geolocation feature. Tagging your location in your posts and stories makes you discoverable when people search in that location. It's a great way for local customers to find you. Just make sure to only tag your real location. A misleading tag or something can frustrate potential customers. Tip number 3, collaborate with local influencers. Local influencers can help you reach your target audience. By collaborating with them, you can boost your visibility and credibility in your local market. You might offer them your products or services in exchange for a post or a review, but remember, pick influencers who align with your brand. Tip 4, use Instagram ads in a geo-targeted area. So you can reach even more local customers by running ads on Instagram targeted at your location or miles around your service area. This can be as broad as a city or as narrow as just a zip code or neighborhood. Experiment with different targeting options and see what works best, but it's really a great way to just kind of build brand awareness right in your local market. Tip number 5, use relevant local hashtags. So including local hashtags in your post can help you be discovered by potential customers in your area. So use a mix of broad or location-based hashtags like New York Eats or more specific ones like New York City Vegan Pizza. This can help you reach a wider but still targeted audience. Tip number 6, share user-generated content. If your customers are sharing photos of your products or services, make sure that you're commenting on those, or if it's a story, share it on your own feed. It's free advertising. It shows that you value your customers' experiences and it helps build trust with potential customers. And our final tip number 7, engage with your community. Comment on posts, respond to DMs, and interact with other local businesses. It shows that you're an active, engaged member of your local community, not just, a sterile business. This provides goodwill and helps you become a business locals know and trust. So there you have it, folks. Those are 7 tips for using Instagram to attract more local customers to your business. Remember, it's all about making your business more visible and attractive to your local audience. So take these tips, implement them, and let us know how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.